you just you just delivered some gold, right? So impact is like one of the answers I go with because it's true, right? So you've been doing it for 10 years. You've had tremendous impact. Like anybody's life you've touched, anybody who's seen your work who hasn't actually met you, you've still touched them. That's what I try to explain to people. That's what I'm here. That's what you're saying to me. And empowering people is beautiful. That's a beautiful way to put it, right? Because that is the whole point. So I think that from my perspective, going into starting a show or doing a podcast with the idea that I'm going to do this to make money, inherently, you're not going to make money, right? Because you got your priorities backwards. It's what you just said. It's an impact. It's empowering people. And it's like, it's about service. And that's the whole point. You've got something to say. You say what you have to say. And the point of saying it is there's people that want to hear it and need to hear it, and they're attracted to you. That's, and by the way, just for the record, we did not plan the Paisley shirts. Okay. We got to go on record as saying this. Okay. We live in different sides of the state.